What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Quick Response Fishing. I'm Patrick Quick, and today I'm going to the home creek. I haven't been here all year. I've only got 30 minutes to fish today. Life's been hectic. All the times I get to go out fishing have been only 30 minutes, and I feel like I just messed up my words there for a minute. Probably did, because I'm excited to get out here and go fishing and hopefully bring some awesome content. So the next time you see me, I'm going to be in that creek.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna get wet, I guess. It's all right. It's for a good cause. Oh, look. It's a little snapping turtle. Cool little dude. Right here. I'll see if I can pick him up without him biting me. They have long necks. That's that dude right there. American snapping turtle. Can't keep them. They're considered endangered out here. The alligators are. Not sure if this is a juvenile snapper or American, but still a cool guy. I'm back. Oh, I see some movement already. See what's going up here. Ah, that's what's going on up here. The beaver came out of hibernation and has his dam back in order. Nature's little engineer is back at it again. Bunch of tiny little bait fish here. I'm gonna try to get through here without going in the water, and we'll just make a few casts in here, try not to get hung up in these trees, and see if anything wants to bite this little panther martin. If not, I'll try to switch it up. Okay. I mean, this has got to be pretty sturdy, right? I just don't want to go in too deep of water because my phone and everything is on me. All right. Oh, there goes that beaver right there. I spooked him out. So he's living in that little hole over here in the bank line. Oh, there's two now. Last year I only saw one. Another one just came out with it. And back in the tree. Ooh, something was following me. Come on. Let's switch up baits just to see if I can get that bigger guy to bite. Not really sure what quite to use. Man, that mosquito that got me, stinging. All right, do we use the grasshopper or the worm? I think I'm gonna try this pre-rigged worm because I've never tried one. And I'm just gonna throw it on there, kind of flip it around, and see if dude grabs hold of it. And hopefully it doesn't break at this knot that I accidentally put in this fluorocarbon. Okay. Little black red tail. Let's see what happens. Tighten the drag. Here's some little bass fry. Or maybe they're just minnows. Nope, they're little bass fry. I wonder if Daddy's around. I think that this thing's going to try to eat him. And he'll eat this. Yep, we're on. We're on. We got him. He's a biggins. He's a biggins. He's a nice sized bass. Please don't break off me. Please don't break me off. Always good. Always good. Always good. Always good. Always good. That's a good bass. Oh, he's bleeding a little bit. He got himself hooked in the gills there, unless that's just something on his mouth. Oh, that just might be something on his mouth. Hold on, bud. Oh, that's a good bass. Good thing I have my pliers. Let's figure out where you're hooked. Yeah, he's got some red stuff on his face, but I mean, this is a good bass. Like, I am super excited to see this. All right, dude. Okay, that one wasn't... Nope, 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 nope. We don't want that one in you. Don't swallow it. There we go. Oh, he's barely hooked, too. Hold on, bud. See if I can go up under without hitting the gills. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. I promise you I'll get you out of here. Just give me a second. There it is. Come on. Come on, buddy. There we go. Just stay with me, stay with me. Yeah. Look at that nice bass right there. Super excited to get this fish. A little tore up on the fins. It means it was spawning, and there is tons of baby bass in here. Hold on. Oh, he's biting. Oh, he's thrashing. He's thrashing. He wants to go back. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, buddy. I want one more good look at you. Hold on. I know you want to go back. You want to go back in there and see your babies. Oh, thank you so much for biting. You have no idea what that means to me. First fish in the home creek. Thank you, buddy. There he goes. On that found worm. I found that the other day when I was out with my kids and family at the river. Just 2 pre-rig worms like that. I've never caught anything on them before. Literally first time ever using them. I've seen them all the time, the cream ones. And that must have been Dad right there, trying to protect his babies, doing the dad thing, just like I'm a dad trying to protect my babies. And he came and got it. And I couldn't be more happy. That was awesome. Shut the box up now that we got the pliers in the pocket. Bass Pro Shop shirt can get dirty. That's what it's meant to do. And let's see if there's any more in there. All right, let's see if we can get another one on this worm. I was really starting to think though that this knot that I put in this fluoro leader that's on here, or the line that runs through it with the 2 hooks, I was really under the impression that that joker was gonna pop and break that. Glad I had the drag set how I did. No issues on there. And that is what I was having the same issue with the Black Max when I went out fishing. I got that reel for Father's Day and I ended up not setting the drag. I had it all the way cranked up from when I was spooling it up, and that's why I broke that frog off. Drag is crucial and important, especially when finessing fish. That guy was pulling drag when he came over to this section over here, and I just had to let him play into the directions that I needed him to go, and we were able to land that fish. And I am so grateful to have landed that fish. And it was so cool to watch him come up and bite it too, because not very many times have I went out and actually sight fished. So I got to see how soft he actually picked that up. And then he just started swimming away with it. And I knew these 2 hooks were gonna get him. And I kind of set the hook a little bit. You know, as you can see in the video, it wasn't like an extreme hook set because I had already seen him take it. And it was just a slight pull and he was on. Such a cool moment to capture like that. I'm new to the finesse stuff, this bottom fishing. Like, I've caught 1 fish, I believe, on a Texas rig. It was a blue and black curly, and I went through the weeds. I thought I was just caught up in the weeds, came through the weeds, and there was a bass inside the weeds on the Texas rig. But I had no idea what the bite felt like or nothing. I just thought I got caught up in a weed. So this to me is like scientific data. Oh, we got another one. Okay, I thought I felt the pop, and then I saw this joker come for it too. See, I'm learning. This is cool, and you guys are here with me doing it, and that means a lot. That means so much. And I'm not gonna lie, these pre-rigged bass worms are pretty legit. I mean, they grab it, and those jokers grab it good. That's 2 bass. This is a nice little healthy dude right here. Oh, hold on, buddy. Hold on. Ooh, they're really aggressive too, tearing up my thumb and stuff. Nice little guy right there. Beautiful fish. So grateful to get 2. I have not been on the water, like going and frog fishing and have those 4 days with 30 minutes. I have 30 minutes today too. There's a lot going on, and I'm going to be able to talk about some of my personal life, and I'm going to try to do it on my first live stream and kind of just talk to you about everything that's been going on in my life and why things seem chaotic and why I don't get very much time to be out on the water where I need to be, and just kind of like get closer with you guys and gals and let you know a little bit more about me and the trials and tribulations that human beings can go through even when you're good people. And yeah, this is just so awesome to have you along on this journey while I'm learning the art of finesse. So thank you if you're tuning in and watching. It means a lot. And I'm glad I have this neon line too, because I can see it move some. What is over there? Like right over here. I don't know if that was just birds messing around or if that was the little bass guy I let go. Maybe he went and smoked some little fish over there. I knew there was some little panfish over here in the little pocket. They are carnivores though. They will eat the little fry. And they are getting spooked by something. All right, let's move down just a little bit because I want to try to pitch it inside this tree line a little bit better. There's gotta be something up over there or under there. There we go. But just kind of chill right there, see what happens. That's crazy. I'm seeing my breath and it's not even cold out. It's like 76 degrees. Right here, there's just a cold pocket of air. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not, but I can see my breath. And this stained water, this black worm with this red tail, just perfect silhouette, body for it to see. Get off that. Alright, I'm going to try to walk this way a little bit. Throw some more crap, maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know if I want to venture into all that right now. At least not in bare legs. Next time I'll bring my waders. But we'll try to. There we go. I'm gonna let it sit right there and see what happens. See if I can't skip it and pitch it under here. There we go. See what happens here. Hopefully another good bite. Just kind of keep an eye on that line. See if I see it move. killing bugs that are getting on my arms. Oh no. Oh no. All right, that might be it, folks. That might be it for that. Because I'm pretty positive that, yep.
Well, there we go. Working on my finesse skills at the creek. It paid off. One of the funnest things I've done in a while. It's great to be back out on the water. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, hit that bell notification, leave a like and a comment. And until the next adventure, fish until you flatline.